Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now wait for this estimated time to get completed. After that, we'll meet again. Now from here, just come over here and just right click and open the Cloud Console Incognito window. Now if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel too. Now here, wait for it, click on I understand. And if you get a long pop-up, just scroll down and click on I understand or I agree. Now the first thing, click on this to activate the Cloud Shell. And if you get any pop-up over here, just cross the button, press the cross button and just close it. Now click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Once this is done, come back to the lab instruction. First of all, we'll be setting up the region and zone. So just copy it from here, paste it, hit enter. Let me increase the font size also meanwhile. Okay, so this is done. Now come over here and the first thing we have to do is SSH to the admin page. So now here they have mentioned we have to just type Y, hit enter again, hit enter again. Now if you get the error, just rerun this command again or restart the lab. Now it is successfully signed in over here, and then we have to just run the following command to install the GKE auth plugin. So just copy the first command from here, paste it over here. It will again take some time. Now come to the second one. Okay, this is also done. Now just run this command and then simply get the credentials detail. So you'll see this output over here. You can see it's showing a demo cluster has been created. Okay, now just come over here and create a namespace too. So just run it to create a namespace. It is also successfully created. Come over here and check the score. Wait for it. It's taking some time. Just rerun over here. And one thing, just check the cluster details also. We got the score over here. Now no need to worry about it. Okay, now let's come over here and open a new tab. Just paste it. Here you have to just type N and hit enter. So this is done. Now we have to again install the GKE auth plugin over here. This is also done. Now let's create a dev manifest YAML file. After that, we'll create the pod file and then test file. We have created all the three things. Now just check the score. Wait for it to get created. It will take some time. You can rerun also. There is not a issue. Okay, already exists. So just wait for it. You can see we got the score. Now coming to the next task. Okay, coming to the next task, we have to just open a new tab again. Paste this SSH command over here and just type N and hit enter. Now here we have to just install again the auth plugin, copy it beforehand, paste over here. If you get error, just repeat the command again or restart the lab. Once it is installed, we have to just get all the pods. So it's taking some time, do not worry. Okay, just run this command. You can see it's ready. Now what we need to do, we have to come over here and just copy this. Number ninth command we have to do. It's still showing error, do not worry about it. Now we have to come to the admin instance. So just copy it. This is our admin. You can see over here, this is admin, this is owner, and this is auditor. So come to the admin instance, paste over here. This thing is done. Now just check the score. See, it may take time to update the score. You need to wait for some more time. So just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and you'll be getting the score without any issue. Now just come over here and just come. Okay, we have to just come and just copy this and just paste in the admin instance. Okay, make sure in which instance I am. We have to paste over there only. Now after that, just check the score. You can see we have already fixed the issue. So if you want to just check it out again, just run it again. And after that, just copy this command of fixing one again. So this is also done. Now we have to apply the fix. Now you can see we are getting the output over here. Wait for some more time. You can see we have got the score. Now after that, what we need to do, we have to just run a query for that. But here is another fix. You have to come down over here. Okay. In the identifying section. And from here, just do one thing, just copy this command and just paste on your Cloud Shell. Now here, just come and check the score. Please add permissions in the purpose list. So let's see. Run the fix patch again and just check the score. You can see we got the score and this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.